All right. Hi, IED. So I'm going to show you how to get started with 134. Okay. And what's cool about this activity is it is teaching you a lot of new 3D features that you can use. All right. To start with, though, we got to learn some more things about like methods, like two-dimensional methods. Okay. So this is assuming you've done numbers one, two. Well, I'll kind of walk you through that, I guess. So here we go. All right. We're going to try to get through at least 5 in this video and maybe farther. I already made this video once and realized there's a lot more video. I got to move quickly. Okay. So to start with, in your folder or your project is what they call it, you need to make a new folder. So you're going to click new folder, give it the name 1.2.4, and then your last name. All right. And inside there, you're going to save this untitled, and you're going to call it 1.2.4, your last name. Whoops, I got gone. And we're going to call this number 4. Okay, although it's really kind of number 4, 5, 6. Start with number 4. All right, that's make sure in the folder. All right, that it is inside the folder. Okay, and then you'll. All right, should show up over there now. There it is. We're going to create a sketch. All right, and we're going to put this plane. All right. So they want you to actually start with a center point rectangle, which I never do, but we can, I'm using with that. So they want you to pick the origin, which I don't always use. It's the corner there, not the center, usually. And then I'm going to type in 4 for the height, and then hit the tab key to change to the width, 6 inches, hit enter. All right. They want you to use this because apparently this type of rectangle shows these diagonal lines. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a few polygons in here. Okay. So the directions for those in the activity, I'm going to do what I know from memory as best I can and refer to the activity when I need to. All right. And apparently my computer is freezing up. Pick polygon, and we want a circumscribed polygon, okay? So there's a difference. I'll explain that a little bit in a sec. But first of all, do not place this on the line. They have it on the line. They are going to trip you up by doing that, all right? And they're going to trip it in a way that I don't have a quick fix to right now, all right? Somewhere not on the line. And also do not put it perfectly like straight up and down, all right? There's a reason for that, because what we're talking about today are constraints. Constraints are ways that you can lock things into place using geometry or dimensions, all right? So this is going to freak it out. A whole bunch of them up here, all right, which you'll kind of learn today. But for now, yeah, just at an angle, put, I think, it was 0.35 for its size, and you need to change number of sides. So hit tab, bring a new paragraph, just 5. All right. And I'm just going to go back and check if this lets me. Computer's freaking out. And let's see, sizing 0.35. Yep. All right. So we're good there. Again, it's freaking out. Don't know why. So I will hit enter. Okay. And then that should be complete. Let's see. Maybe this is not activated. So I hit enter. There we go. Now we need, not like that, 0.25 inscribed hexagon, so 6 sides. All right, so I will come over here and choose an inscribed polygon. All right, and I'll place it right on the line, place it somewhere near it. All right, so it's already 6-sided, and I think 0.25 for the sizing. And again, don't put it perfectly straight or up and down, put it at an angle. All right, there's a reason for that. So hit enter. All right, great. Lastly, we need a triangle, and that is going to have a side length of 1.25. So you can come to create polygon, edge polygon. I think this should do it. All right, so it's just going to be somewhere roughly down here. So we'll say, okay, maybe it's like that. We're going to change it to sides, hit enter, and we'll go back and dimension that. So now that it's done, you can click dimension, all right, to dimension the side length, all right. So this is actually showing a height. See how it's straight up when the thing's at an angle? You do not want this, all right. You need this one, like that, okay. That is going to be our height there, or our length. Okay, so we got to change it. All right, and click and change that to be 1.25. Enter. Let me just double check that that's what they wanted. Yes. Okay, so we have gotten through number 5 basically. Moving on to number 6 next video.